Shukto. Fried vegetables. A side dish from Bangladesh. Serves 4. You will need 10 ingredients. Step 1. Soak 1 tablespoon mustard seeds and poppy seeds in warm water. Step 2. Cut plantain, radish, potato and eggplant lengthwise, into 2-inch long strips. Step 3. Heat oil in a wok. Fry the eggplant pieces, set aside. Fry the bittergourd slices, and set aside. Step 4. In the remaining oil, roast half teaspoon fenugreek seeds and mustard seeds. When mustard seeds start to pop, add them to the plantain, radish, and potato and stir-fry on medium heat. Step 5. As you stir the vegetables, blend the soaked mustard seeds, poppy seeds and ginger root in a blender into a smooth paste. Step 6. After sautéing vegetables for about 5 to 7 minutes, add the blended mixture to the vegetables and stir constantly for about 2 minutes. Add salt. Also, add the fried bittergourd slices and eggplant pieces. Now add about ½ cup hot water and cover wok for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally, checking whether the vegetables are cooked or not. Step 8. When vegetables are all cooked, pour about 1 teaspoon of either butter or ghee on top of them. Step 9. Serve with rice. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.